Without him, I feel his arms around me. And when I lose my way, I close my eyes, and he has found me. In the rain, the pavement shines like silver. All the lights are misty in the river. In the darkness, the trees are full of starlight, and all I see is him and me forever and forever. And I know it's only in my mind that I'm talking to myself and not to him. And although I know that he is blind, still I say there's a way for us. I love him, but when the night is over, he is gone. The river's just a river. Without him, the world around me changes. The trees are bent everywhere, the streets are full of strangers. I love him, but every day I'm learning. All my life I've only been pretending. Without me, his world will go on turning. A world that's full of happiness that I have never known. I love him. I love him. But only on my own.
Well done, girls. Anya, what do you think of the performance tonight?
Before I get started, we're currently struggling with the slippery floor situation again. I can't get up. You both got such beautiful voices. I love it when you both sing, and I love your outfits. I love that you decided to match. It's really cute. I picked up that both your lower notes are so controlled, and I think that's really important for that song, especially because you've got to be pretty much all over the place with that song, and you've got to be right up here, and then you've got to be right down here. And I think you've done really well with that, and I liked your harmony at the end. It wasn't perfect, but it was a start because you're so young as well. I think it was incredible. You've both done yourselves proud with it.
Kelly?
I think that's a really big song, and I think that you can tell that you two have worked extremely hard and you've achieved so much over the short time that you've been together as a duo. I think your voices really, really complemented each other. I think that Molly, you had just the right amount of light and shade, and then Leah kind of had the power, and when you came together it was just really, really beautiful. I really loved the harmony at the end, and I think if that's what you can achieve in such a short space of time, I just wonder what you can achieve with more time as you get used to working with each other. I thought that was fab. Well done.
Girls, honestly, you should be really, really proud. I'm proud of what you've just done because I know how hard this is to come up with in such a short space of time. It's the first time you've been on stage together as a duo. That's not easy. It's getting comfortable. Is that change from being a solo to having somebody there and having to listen where they're going with the song and things like that. There's a lot involved, more than what people realise. But you've done really, really well. That was the first time you both performing together on stage. You looked the part, you pushed yourselves. Mia, you pushed yourself in it too, so well done for that. But if you are successful tonight into the themes now, take this, what you've done tonight, and grow from that, right? Because all we need is just that extra bit more confidence in each other on stage, just in the thing. And that's something that will come the more you work together. Because it's now, it's like, oh my God, do I sing and think? It's that sort of environment. But the more you do it, the more comfortable and the more confident you're going to get with each other's vocals and bouncing off each other. But that, for the first time, I can't ask for anything more. Because for the first time, this isn't easy for anyone tonight. But for a duo to get up there, that's just been chucked together, and they're young as you two, and I go, where do we go, what do we do, things. It's not easy, and what you've come up with in this short space of time, I am impressed with what you've just done, because that is a great start to what you can achieve, alright? Well done, girls. Round of applause.